Angel phone. Where'd I put my bag? Oh, there it is over there.
I love Cambodia.
Yeah, it's lots of climbing and fun stuff.
Climbing and caves and stuff.
Got it? Of course you do.
I figure if I can make it up, I can make it down.
That's it. If you can't make it down, don't even try and go up. Oh, wait a minute. Another shot. Dang it. Dang it. I can't hold this too long.
That's pretty good. Can you make this a toe?
I don't think you're not going to be able to yank me up here, dude. You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I put my butt this way. There's
To
nothing.
make it look like you're pulling.
Angel, you got it?
No, I will pull her butt.
Oh. You freaking pulling it.
That's a big ledge. She made it across that ledge. I can make it across that ledge.
That was cool.
You almost just ripped my knee off.
It looks like you're pulling that one.
I don't know.
You don't even need your knees.
That's a good picture.
Like
Nah,
really
we put them in sequence. We put them in sequence. You can put this one first and then me laying like that. So Josh was pushing me down into the killing pool.
Killing pool.
Oh, I forgot the camera.